Hi, in this video, we're going to learn about how to round numbers. So let's take a look at our steps. The first thing you'll do is identify the rounding digit. After that, if the number to the right of the rounding digit is less than 5, you're going to round down. If it's 5 or more, you'll round up. And then you'll zero all digits to the right of the rounding digit. Let's take a look at this example. Let's say I want to round 542 to the nearest 10. The first thing I need to do is identify the rounding digit. Well, the rounding digit is the tens place, which in this case is the 4. Now I'm going to look directly to the right of that at the 2, and it's less than 5. That means that I need to round down. So that 4 actually is going to stay the same, and I'm going to round the 2 down to a 0, okay, because I'm zeroing everything out to the right. So 542 rounded to the nearest 10 is actually 540. What about 1,783? I want to round that to the nearest 100. So I'm going to identify the rounding digit. It's the hundreds place, which you can see is the 7. Now I'm going to look directly to the right of that number at the 8. That is a number more than 5. Since it's more than 5, I'm going to need to round up. That means I need to turn that 7 into an 8. And then I'm going to zero out all the numbers to the right. So 1,783 rounded to the nearest 100 is 1,800, or 1,800. Now, what if I have a decimal though? Let's say a 584.21, and I want to round this to the nearest 10th. Well, the rounding digit is the tens place then, and that would be the 2. And I need to look to the number to the right again though. Okay, so that 1 is less than 5, so I'm going to round down. That means I'm going to keep the 2 where it is, but then I'm going to have to zero out the numbers to the right. So that 1 is going to become a 0. So if I round 584.21 to the nearest 10th, I get 584.20. Or if you want, you can just write it as 584.2. Once you have zeros after the decimal place, you can drop them and you don't have to write them anymore. And that's how you round numbers.